For this video, I am going to teach you how to use QuillBot. So, QuillBot is a website that is powered by AI. It is a paraphrasing tool that helps users write and improve their text. So, it is useful for students, professionals, and anyone who just wants to enhance their writing. So, before we continue, I have a link in the description down below so you can use that link to sign up for QuillBot. So let us continue. So first things first, what you need to do is to simply go to quillbot.com. So just type that into your address bar in whatever browser that you are using. So after logging in or after going into the website rather, you can sign up if you don't have an account yet or log in if you already have an account. So here in QuillBot, you can have two different accounts. So free account, which this offers basic features, and the premium version provides access to advanced functionalities. So just click this icon right here, which is located on the upper right corner of your screen, and hit login/sign up. So just fill in your information right here if you already have an account or continue with Google. But if you don't have an account, just click this don't have an account button on the bottom right. On the bottom section rather. So once signed in, you should be able to see this on your screen, but I'm going to go back so this is what you should see. So just familiarize with the interface of QuillBot. So it is fairly simple. So you can just choose whatever tool that you want to use QuillBot for. Paraphraser, grammar, plagiarism checker, AI detector, summarizer, and even citation generator. So I'm going to click this paraphraser section right here. So once you are in here on the main dashboard, you'll see a text box where you can enter right here that you want to paraphrase. So you can either type directly into the box or paste your text from the other document. And after pasting or writing your sentence right here that you want to paraphrase, just choose a mode. So if you want to have a standard, fluency, natural, formal, academic, simple, creative, expand, shorten, and even customs. But for this custom right here, it is only available, or this feature is only available for premium account. And after that, you can even set the synonym preferences right here. So you have the synonym slider. So you just use the slider to control how much the text is changed. So moving the slider to the right, just like so, will result in more significant changes, while moving it to the left will make minor adjustments. So after that, just click this paraphrase button to start the process, and QuillBot will process your text and display the paraphrased version on the right side of the screen, which is right here. So after doing that, you can just review and edit. So just review the paraphrase text, and you can make additional edits manually if needed. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can try a different mode or adjust the synonyms slider. So for the additional text, we have here first the grammar checker. So you can access the grammar checker on the left pane of your screen right here. And this grammar checker allows you to correct any grammatical errors in your text. So you can access it from the main dashboard also. So you can, after that, you can paste your text on this section right here, and then just let QuillBot highlight any issues. And next for the summarizer. So the summarizer tool helps you to condense long texts into shorter summaries. So just enter your text right here, and then choose the length of your summary on this slider right here. So and then just let QuillBot summarize and generate a concise version of your text. And then next one is the citation generator. So QuillBot includes a citation generator that supports various citation styles like APA, Chicago, and more. So just enter the details of your source right here, and QuillBot will format it correctly for you. And now for the tips for effective usage of QuillBot. First one is you need first to identify or to understand the mode. So each paraphrasing mode serves a different purpose. So just choose the one that best fits your needs, and just review also the changes. So just always review the paraphrase text to ensure it maintains the original meaning and fits the context, and make sure to use the grammar checker and summarizer in conjunction with the paraphraser for a polished final product. And just experiment with the settings. So adjust the synonym slider and different modes to find the best output for your text. And so that's it for today's video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss another video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.